So one of the things that you can do is join out online meeting, of course. So if others have actually went ahead and then created out meetings, then you can easily go ahead and join them out by going around over here onto more solutions and by going to meetings. So here you can see that join is an option. So what you need to do right here is you need to go ahead and then simply enter out the meeting ID for that. If others were to actually invite you onto the meeting, you will get a call. But if you don't, you do have the meeting ID, which they may send out from mail or send you out through messages. So in my case, I have access to an ID of an active meeting. So I'm just going to go around over here just like this and then go ahead and type in the ID right here, just like this right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on join. So once you do that, you can see that I actually have found the meeting. So it's correct. So I'm just going to go ahead and join the meeting. And once I do that, I'm in the meeting, as you can see right here. Let me just end the meeting right here, just like this, and leave the meeting. And now another way that you can actually join the meeting is when the other person actually calls you. So let's say, for example, if they actually go ahead and then invite you out. So let's say, for example, if they actually go ahead and then call you, this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around and call from the other computer. So you need to be online for that, of course. So once you go ahead and then let's say, for example, other person invites you to the meeting, this is what you see. It says YouTube channel 2 invited you to join the meeting. So you can simply go ahead and click on join, and then you have the same option right here. And as you click on join meeting, you are in a meeting and you can go ahead and communicate as you wish right here. So that is how you can go ahead and join online meetings as you wish inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.